What's up, you guys? So I'm back to show you guys how I achieved my multicolored pastel looking color here. This is literally a unicorn look. Like, the hair is so beautiful, and also the hair that I'll be dyeing today is from Recool here on AliExpress. I'll have all the links listed down below, as well as the colors that was used to achieve this color. So first thing first, I'm not using hot boiling water I should say, because I want to be able to control how much dye is getting on the hair. So to start, the first color that I'll be taking is this pretty green color by Adore. This one is called Sweet Mint. I'm just going to be adding a few drips of this into the water and then stir it around. And you want to make sure that you add enough dye to the water, or else your hair is not going to absorb that color. And now your hair is ready to be dipped in the water. So the first part that I'm taking and adding to the water is the ends of the unit. And I'm just going to let that soak up all that color before I remove it from the water. As you guys can see, once you pull the hair out of the water, like, all the color is gone out of it. So you're gonna have to keep re-adding more color to the water as you go along. Now I'm taking the top of the unit, like the frontal area, and that's where I really want this color to show up the most. And also, the reason why I only dip the ends of the hair once in that color is because those blonde pieces that you see there, I actually do want there to stay blonde. Just because once I go ahead and add, the different colors, I want it to really show up. So had I let, the ends of the hair, like, really absorb that entire green color, my other colors that I'll be adding to the unit would not show up like that. Or it would, but it would not be as bright or as saturated as I want it to be. And then once I was finished dyeing the hair with the water method, I just rinsed the hair with some water and no shampoo or conditioner. And then I proceeded to add, the different colors. So right now I'm just sectioning off the hair so we can go in and get some color up in this bad boy. And the first color that I'm taking is this bright neon yellow color by Kiss. And I'm taking the ends of my colored brush and I'm literally pulling up all the blonde pieces. And it's for the same reason why I left some blonde into the unit, so that once I add this color, that it'll really pop. And you don't really have to be precise with how much color you're adding or wherever you're adding it to the hair. I'm literally just adding the colors wherever I feel like, pop the most. So I'm just going wherever over the unit and adding the color to it. And now I'm taking this neon pink color by Adore, and I'm pretty much following the same steps that I did with the yellow. So literally pick up little pieces and just add the dye to it, and that's it. Okay, so I'll leave all the colors that I use listed down below. Also, I do want to say, when I bought the hair dyes, I bought about, I think, 4 different colors. Like, I bought a pink, the purple, the blue, and the neon color. And I did not, to be honest, you don't even have to buy the purple, because if you mix the pink and the blue together, that's going to turn purple. So eventually I was like mixing colors. So like if you look closer, you'll see like I have different ranges of like pinks and purples. So yeah, once the hair was complete, like I saw like all the different shades of pinks and purples. It was really pretty. Honestly, the outcome of this hair was so beautiful, you guys. Like I said, this hair is from Recool hair. They are an AliExpress vendor. The hair that I got from them is their 613 Brazilian blonde hair. This is their straight hair, by the way. The length that I got my hair in was a 22-24 and 2 bundles of 26s. I did make the unit myself. Also, I did use a 20-inch 3-part frontal. This is probably like the best blonde hair I've had in a while, besides the Yazzie hair that I told you guys about. This blonde hair is way more affordable and it's really good. So if you're out there looking for some bomb blonde hair, I highly recommend this blonde hair to you guys. The hair stays bone straight. The hair does eventually, it sheds a bit. Like from day 2 after I wore the unit, the hair was shedding a little bit, but other than that, the hair is beautiful, you guys. And once I was finished with adding all the colors to the hair, I let the hair sit with the color on it for, I would say, a good 4 to 5 hours. I almost left it overnight, but I ended up rinsing it out. And yeah, the hair did not bleed at all. Like, I was honestly surprised. I thought like the colors were gonna bleed on each other, but it did not do that at all. Like, the hair took the dye so well. The colors came out so beautiful. But honestly though, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, the process that this took with dyeing the hair was forever. I think I took about 4 hours to complete the hair. Like, it really took forever, y'all. So if you're gonna try to do this color, just know it's gonna take some time. So make sure you make that extra time to put in that extra work with getting your hair to look like this. I've been wearing this hair for about 4 days now. I would say the first 2 days of me wearing the hair did not shed one bit. But like going on to the 3rd day now, it did start to shed a little. I won't say it's nothing too crazy, but the hair does have some shedding to it. Doesn't tangle whatsoever, and like I told you guys before multiple times actually, I'm not one of those females that sleeps with a bonnet on my head, just because when I wake up in the morning it's gonna be gone. So I don't even waste my time on putting anything on my head at night. I just literally lay my head down and go to bed. Like, there's no tangles to the hair. The hair was actually really sleek every morning that I woke up with it on, and I was really shocked about that, because usually blonde hair, they tend to tangle a lot more than any other kind of hair. And this one does not tangle whatsoever. The hair was actually really sleek and nice. If you're out there looking for, inexpensive blonde hair, I highly recommend Recool. 613 blonde hair, like, their blonde hair is really on point. The hair is beautiful. So yeah, other than that, this was pretty much the outcome of the unit. As you guys can see, the colors came out so beautiful. Like, the hair took the dye, first of all, really well. So yeah, once again, this is like a faster alternative of dyeing your hair with using the water method. I highly recommend you guys to try some colors. I really did this color just because, it's coming to the end of the summer and colors are just in. That's about it on this hair, you guys. If you guys do recreate this look or try any colored hair, tag me in it. For some reason, I just love seeing colored hair. Like, I don't know what's up with me, but it's just so beautiful to me. But that's about it on this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so you're not gonna miss any of my uploads. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.